One of the best ways to look at the blood vessels of the brain is to do a cerebral angiogram. And a cerebral angiogram is a picture where we make images using X-rays, injecting a contrast agent into the arteries, following which the X-rays are taken, which show the contrast flowing through the blood vessels. We can make a 3D picture of rotating here in front of you is that 3D picture. And if you think of the blood vessels as plumbing, they are normally smooth pipes that curl around and branch out into smaller and smaller branches until they nourish all of the brain. And then we see a bulge. In fact, we see two bulges, one quite large and the other one just below it. Both of those are actually aneurysms. Once we've decided to treat an aneurysm, we have to get a larger catheter or tube up into the neck of the patient. The computer will actually allow us to make a map, and what we're looking at here are the blood vessels in the neck that are saved as an image and overlaid onto the screen so that we can move our catheters first through the neck and then a much smaller microcatheter over a fine wire up into the aneurysm or past the aneurysm as the need be. At the moment we're seeing a balloon that has been placed past the aneurysm, and when the balloon is inflated it fills the normal blood vessel and the aneurysm is beside the balloon, and it allows us to place a second catheter into that aneurysm and place the coils into the aneurysm while the balloon is inflated to protect the parent vessel and avoid having any coils come out of the aneurysm and into the normal artery. On this picture you see the procedure just before it's finished. The aneurysm now is filled mostly with coils. Once the last coil is placed in the aneurysm and the aneurysm is packed as densely as we can, we take all of the catheters and the balloons out of the patient and get our final picture. At the end of the case, we still have the large catheter in the neck, and we inject to see if the aneurysm is completely closed and if the branches downstream are all normally filling. So here we see the last picture before we complete the case, confirming that the aneurysm has lots of coils in it to block the flow and that the branches are all normal and that everything has gone well.